greatest moment.
What's going on, everyone? This is Matt, Squeaky Clean Air. Today, a special day. It's actually beautiful outside for winter in Canada. Anyways, we're going to the Hot Wheels pop-up meet. Actually, what they're doing, a pop-up meet in Mississauga, and we're going to be donating some toys because it's a toy drive, and just basically checking it out. We have technically winter right now, so no meets are happening, so this is supposed to be sort of like a little pop-up meet and stuff like that. We'll see how it goes. Pretty interesting. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Here's some of the toys that we're going to be donating. Get some nice plush toys that are probably cheer up some kids in need, and these are nice and cute, so hopefully they enjoy it. So stay tuned.
I could have posed.
Really? Okay. Damn. Thank you. This one's always happy. Every time I do a vlog or whatever, you know, you're always like doing your thing. That one time your hat fell off, doesn't matter. You put it right back on and you continue going, man.
It never stopped. It never stopped.
Yes. No way. It just looks so crazy. The small little toy. It's like a freaking music video, man.
That's Drake. Oh, I'm still alive.
So in Canada, once in a while, we have a nice day in the winter. So we just meet up at various places and hang out. It's the best we could do. Unfortunately, we don't have nice weather all year long, so we kind of have to make the best of a nice situation. Like today is a beautiful day. Hottest in car entertainment.
Congrats, man. That is yours. The man has a racetrack in the back of his car.
Let me see.
Want to see it? Okay, show us again. Show us again.
Get the fuck out of here. No way. What the hell, dude?
I expect to see something like that in my life.
What is it, like you're chilling at Tim Hortons and you're playing with cars? That's insane, man.
Cars in the back of his truck. Come on, guys.
Yo, hottest in car
Come on, that's
entertainment.
entertainment, guys.
Like, yo,
That's entertainment, guys.
honestly. You know,
Congratulations, guys.